Hi, welcome back guys. I just thought I'd do a nice quick video. I've seen a lot of issues in Reddit recently with Streamlabs, OBS and OBS and a few other recording softwares. So I thought I'd just do a quick video to see if this issue can help you. I know it's definitely helped me. I had a few issues where I'd change games and the game capture and the display captures would just suddenly stop working. It it was a bit baffling at first. I downloaded Soundtrack by Twitch, their new software, so you can, take the audio out of your VODs and you don't get DMCA'd and all the rest of it for it. That seems to be bugging out quite a lot. I figured out it's not that. So I'm going to go through it now. It's very, 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 very simple. If you're having any issues whatsoever with Streamlabs, I would recommend doing this. This might just help you out. First off, delete any of your display captures. Just completely delete them. Go through each and every one of your scenes and delete your display captures, window captures, anything capture. Okay. Video devices, they're fine. Your camera, that's not going to be a problem. The only problem that's going to be is if you change settings and it doesn't save it. I assume that might be something to do with it, but that's not a problem. The first thing you're going to do is just delete all of your, go through your scenes and delete all of your captures. Okay, then you want to close Streamlabs, OBS, whatever you are using at the time. Just close it right down to the desktop. Give it a few seconds just to fully close, and then what you want to do is just right click on here. Right click your icon, whether it's in the desktop or the start menu, and just right click it again. And you always want to run as an administrator. Now, if you want to do this so it constantly does it, just go to properties and then come over to compatibility. And you just run this as an administrator. Click apply over there. Okay, and that is literally it. As I say, this might help you, it might not. It's helped me, definitely. It doesn't crash whenever I press record a second time. You know, like when I come to end this recording, usually it would just crash. The video would still appear in the videos section wherever I've saved it, but it would crash, and I would have to restart the whole application. It's kind of annoying. Now I don't have to do that. Everything picks it up. The audio, I had a problem with audio where if I changed from a game to say Google Chrome, the audio would just not come through. Restart the app in admin and it would just work again. So guys, let me know if this has helped you. If it has, hit that like button. If it hasn't, hit the dislike button and let me know down in the comments what you think to these videos. If you do like it and you want to see more of this, please consider hitting the subscribe and watching a few more of my social links down below. Thank you for watching.